삼로 못 주는
If you
야구래.
overthink it, in some ways it's
아니네.
good also.
야,
However,
그 프랙티컬 삼단 거로 와.
you have to be practical.
저하고 삼는 안에 예배
And in your mind, whatever you're thinking,
라랭 그저 개토도.
whether it's practical or not, or whether you can follow it, that's a different
라랭
matter.
개토야 매버직 삼로
If it's something that you can't achieve,
똥벌에 와도
then it doesn't make any sense overthinking about it.
또 거기 가서 그래.
You should
삼로 먼고 땅에
have a lot of thoughts and see what is practical, what can be achieved.
삼 땅에
If you do that,
중나 에네 그 야외야래.
then it would be good, beneficial to you. Thank you.
그러네.
For example,
아다 가서 퍼지 때인도
when
산에
His Holiness looks at the Buddhist
그
scriptures,
중디 나로래야
in those
그저
scriptures,
라랭 개토야
how much is actually possible, how much can be achieved, is something that we have to think about and study. For example, if there's things about the cosmology and talking about different stars and things like that, I don't have much interest in that, no concern.